Did you know your Android phone comes pre-installed with an app that allows it to scan all of the photos and videos on your phone? Now, all of this is done with the premise of it's looking for nudity in those photos or videos. But if you're an adult and maybe you do have some nudity, maybe you took a photo of yourself or a spouse or someone else, maybe you don't want Google viewing and analyzing all of those photos and videos, even if it's on the device. So let's make sure to turn that off, and I'll show you what I mean. Open up the Messages app on your Android phone. Tap on the profile at the top right. Scroll down. Tap on Message Settings at the bottom. Now scroll down again. Tap on Protection and Safety. And then tap on Manage Sensitive Content. It says on here, incoming photos are blurred when there's nudity in those Google messages. And then sending photos or videos with nudity in them will be scanned and you need to go through an additional step. It does say on here at the bottom, nude photo and video detection happens only on your device. Your conversations are always private. Now, this is all happening on your device, on your Android phone. However, in my case, I would prefer this not to be the case, that all the photos and videos are scanned to see if there's nudity in them if they're on my phone. However, you need to delete a specific app that searches for these because it usually is just pre-installed on your Android phone. So what we're going to do is delete that app. So let's scroll up and turn this off. However, we also need to delete that app. So hop out of here, swipe up, and tap on the Settings app on your Android phone. From here, scroll down, tap on Google Services, and then tap on All Services at the top right. From here, scroll down and tap on System Services midway down. Scroll down again, and what you're looking for is this Android System Safety Core. Tap on that. It says essentially Safety Core is a Google service for Android. It provides underlying technology like features about sensitive content warning, etc. All you need to do to make sure this is not on your Android phone, because it's usually pre-installed, is just tap on the uninstall button to remove that app. However, keep in mind there are other instances where Gemini could be analyzing all the photos and videos in the Photos app. So let's hop out of here and open up the Google Photos app. Tap on your profile at the top right, scroll down, and tap on Photos Settings at the bottom. And next, tap on Privacy at the bottom again. You can see a number of different things where Google potentially will analyze all the photos. The first one is location. Tap on that. You can see there are certain photos that have location tagged, but it also might estimate missing location by using landmarks and other things in your photos to get an idea of where they might be. I would prefer Google not do that and not analyze and try to guesstimate or estimate where my location is when I take those photos. Next, tap the back arrow, and on here you can go to Activity-Based Personalization. It says enable activity-based personalization for memories and other features based on how you use Google Photos. But again, I don't necessarily want Google or Gemini to be analyzing all those photos and videos so that it can personalize them. I would recommend turning that feature off and then tapping on the back arrow at the bottom right. Next, let's scroll down and you can see other things like face groups or show pets and people. And what is labeled as me, you can see it determines that is my face and it links it to me, in addition to going down and seeing photo access for certain apps. I would recommend going through all of these and toggling all of them off if you don't necessarily want Google or Gemini to be analyzing all of those photos and videos that are personal and private that you've taken on your phone. Again, a lot of this is just analyzed on your phone, but still, if you would prefer a third-party service not to be analyzing all those photos and videos, you can always choose to turn those off and opt out. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.